Hello everyone, Kershmaki here. I want to talk about the OrCAD Capture Start menu. When you open OrCAD Capture, and if you have the Lite version, you would have OrCAD Capture CIS Lite. There are a lot of things you can actually be taking advantage of when you open the software. If you have no information, no knowledge about OrCAD, you can go to different things like, for instance, new design. You can hit this button to start a new design, and then it'll pop up and just go straight into the design. There's also opening a design or starting a new project. If you hit the new project button, then the new project window will show up. You can also select your channel partner. Now, who is the channel partner? This is a list of companies that distribute the software. So Cadence Design Systems makes the software, but there are companies who distribute and sell the software for Cadence. So you might heard of EMA Design Automation or FlowCAD. I know NordCAD is one of, like NordCAD in Denmark and Norway, and Parallel Systems, the United Kingdom. So that's all that means, the channel partners. You can go into learning resources where you'll get the user manual, capture flow tutorial. If you need help, you can speak with Cadence. There are resources you can use for PSpice. And if you want to know what's new with the software, just check out OrCAD What's New OrCAD videos. Next, there are the OrCAD apps. Now, there are apps for the OrCAD software. These act as extensions for OrCAD, and some of them are useful. I've used some of them before, like the one from EMA Design Automation called the DigiKey Link. That allows you to search for parts in DigiKey real time. And it wasn't too great, but it got the job done. It was very convenient. And they might have made updates since I used it a couple of years ago. So check that out if you want to add some functionality to your program. Then there are these reference designs. Silicon Expert Technologies has partnered with Cadence to create some reference designs where you can pull from to experiment and look at some projects. So if you don't want to start from scratch for a project, go into the reference design section and you can see designs for AC motor control, AC to DC single output power supplies, things like that. Okay, well, in this video I just wanted to go over the start menu, because the start menu and start page are really good to, well, get you started. If you'd like to see more videos like this one where I show you OrCAD Capture and all the things you can do with it, just subscribe to this channel. Now, if you want more in-depth information, check out my website, learnorcadonline.com. That is learnorcadonline.com. You'll be able to look at my blog posts, read up on those, and ask me any questions at kersh@learnorcadonline.com. Now, if you'd like even more information or a course that will take you step by step through everything you need, not just how to do OrCAD and PCB editor, but also how to use PSpice and how to get a design or project finished so that it's a 2-layer PCB you can actually send off and fabricate to a manufacturer. Well, go to learnorcadonline.com and enroll in one of my courses. There's the beginner course, Getting Started with PCB Design using Cadence, OrCAD Capture, and Allegro PCB Editor. If you want to be able to at least put Cadence OrCAD on your resume, then take this course. It will definitely make you more attractive to employers and help you with your job transition. Now, this is a beginner course, so you'll do a 2-layer PCB with just 5 or 6 unique components, some LEDs and things like that. But really, the focus is on the process, is the tool to get your design finished. Next, if you are a little more advanced than the typical OrCAD user and you want something to help you with not just the process, you get the process and how to use the software, but you want to get faster at doing your design, then check out this course, PCB Design using Cadence OrCAD plus PCB Library Expert. This has 3D modeling in the course, but also shows you how to cut your design time in half. And then lastly, there's this other course, Analog Circuit Simulation, using Cadence, OrCAD Capture, and PSpice. So this course would be ideal for students and universities actually. And if you go through the curriculum, there are actually a lot of circuits like the RC circuit, op-amp circuits, DC simulation circuits, how to do a DC sweep, transient simulation, bandpass filter circuit. So this shows you how to simulate a number of different circuits you would encounter in your, let's say, your circuits 1 and circuits 2 courses when it comes to analog simulation. There's no digital simulation. I'm working on a digital simulation course. And so yeah, or if you want to get an idea for what enrolling in the course is like without spending money just yet, enroll in this free course, PCB footprint modification using Cadence, OrCAD, and Allegro. A lot of people has been asking me about how to modify PCB footprints, and you can test that out. Okay, so that is Learn OrCAD Online. I'm also working on a new course coming out in sometime in May. If you have any questions, you can ask info@learnorcadonline.com for like 50% coupons, 20% off coupons. It just depends on the time. And right now these courses are on sale, so take advantage of it and enroll. And also you get a 30-day money back guarantee, so no worries if you enroll and it's not quite working or it's too simple for you, then you can get your money back if you send a request. No problem, no questions asked. Okay, well, that's all I have for now, and have a good one.